welcome to first Python tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about Python actually. So in the previous tutorials I've talked about how to install Python and how to why you should choose Python as a language in 2020. So I'm going to start by creating a folder where I'll run my Python script. So you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to do it like this. So for some people who are not using VS Code or PyCharm or any Python IDE, so this is how you run your Python code. So I'm going to copy the file path, open my CMD. I use Control R for that. Sorry, Windows key and R. So I'm going to do a CD, which is for change directory, and then that. Then I'll go here, go to new, text. So I'll do hello, or let me run first Python. Okay, so you should notice the way I'm writing my file name. I'm not keeping it in a space because using a space like that might not be easy for you to run your Python code. So I'm going to do dir first. So let me just copy this. So I'll do Python. So we don't have any scripts there, so I don't expect anything to run. So okay, in this tutorial we're going to be talking about few things like printing, the print statements, of course. That's the basic thing of every programming language. So I'm trying to set my phone to silent. So okay, so I'm going to open VS Code. Yeah, so Python has a very good easy syntax, and that's why I like it. Simple and flexible. You can use it with different languages. One thing I just discovered about Python is you can use Python with React Native. Yes, React Native is a JavaScript framework that is used to create mobile native apps. Native apps are apps that can run on both Android and iOS devices with just only one code base. Okay, so I'm not going to really start with the issue of Python. I think that you don't really need that. So okay, and I've talked about how to install Python IDE, how to install Python. So you go ahead and download any of Python IDE. Right here I'm using VS Code. So once you install Python, I think you should have the IDE, the default IDE, which is okay. This is over here on my taskbar, right here. So that is. Let me open it to show you. So I'm going to run a code on the Python IDE so that you will see. Then I'll keep running on my VS Code because I'm used to that, and it's more easier to run scripts on VS Code. So let me pause it over here till it comes up. Okay, my Python IDE is open. So here you can write what you want. So basic thing, your first command should be why is that? Okay, print. So I close my bracket immediately so to avoid any error. Hello world. Where's my exclamation? So go ahead and press enter. So it prints hello world for you. In case you want to use the default Python IDE, yeah, it is. You just do something like this. Print I there. Okay. So you go ahead, press F5. I think that's the command. So it's saying you must save before you can run. So you save it to wherever you want, and it will run back on this window. So okay, I'm going to go back to my IDE. It has VS Code. VS Code makes it easier to run, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So right now in this session I'm going to be talking about printing statements. Okay, so there's only one basic printing statement in Python, and that is the print statement. So you have seen this hello world. So saves, you press this play button right here and to run the Python file in the terminal. So here we see hello world, or you can just do this input. Don't worry, we'll talk about the input function later. Press any key. So quit. So and you can just do this. Go to your Python script, double click on it, and okay, hello world, press any key to quit. Yeah, so why I did that is if the Python all code runs from beginning to the end, and that print statement is only printing something. Your computer does not know if you have read the statement. See, I have clicked on it. Let me see if I can. Okay, it's not still showing. Your computer does not know if you have read it. So I use that input statement to stop it from quitting until you press any key. Not really any key. Sorry, it's supposed to be press enter to quit, but my bad. So I'm going to talk about comments right now. Comments is like note taking. So okay. So you see right here. I'm going to take a comment. The print function displays text of values to the user. Yeah, you see it does not show what I have. So in Python the print function is always an hashtag. Yeah, and you leave a space for it. Control Shift F. Sorry. Okay, so right now we're going to talk about asking question. So I'm going to use a statement called the input statement, and that is it here. So what I'm going to do is just duplicate the function. So the input function collects data or collects information from the user. So right here I'm going to say, what is your name? It's going to run, but and I'll say my name is Jeremiah, aka Code Machine. I know we asked for the name, but how does it reflect that we asked for the name? Now there's something we call variable. A variable is a container, and it holds or stores information temporarily while a program is still running. Now how do we declare variables in Python? So I'm going to write a variable my name. So when writing variables, you should name them according to what they do or what they will store. Now my name is Jeremiah. Yes. My name is the variable, Jeremiah is the value. So I'll do print my name, and it's a print. So now there's something you should know, or you should know how to do when you're coding. It will make your life a little bit easier. Your code runs from this place, and since this is the comment, it's not printing, then it runs on this. It prints hello world. This is not a print function, it is the comment. Nothing happens. Then it goes here. Your information is being stored. Then it prints my name. Then asks you what is your name. So the output will be something like hello world down, and the next line Jeremiah, in the next line what is your name. Then it will wait for me to input the code. Sorry, input my answer. Then it will wait for me to input the enter key to quit. Just like I said, you should know how to interpret your code. Just like that. So not everybody's name is Jeremiah that will use our software, so we can just do like this. So let me just show you one thing before I continue. So I have this. So what will happen, you can see, sorry, but I printed my name variable 2 times. So why is it giving me 2 different values? The reason is that it runs, like I said, it runs from the top, prints hello world, stores Jeremiah into the my name variable, then prints it. While printing, the my name variable still contains Jeremiah. Then when you input your name, the my name variable still contains Jeremiah. Then running now and coming to this line. Yes, this line number 9. It pours out Jeremiah. Just think of it like a drum. You fetch your water and you go 5 times. Somebody is still fetching the water, and this time, sorry, you fetch your water for you to use it to cook or do anything. You using it to cook is like the print function. Then you discover that water is not clean. Then you pour it out, and that's what happens at this stage. Just right here where my cursor, that blinking cursor is where that Jeremiah is being poured out. Then stores the new value, which is code. So you are pouring the dirty water from the drum away and putting in new water. Despite the fact that the drum had dirty water, it will not reflect now that it had dirty water, because what you will see now is clean water, and that's why it's printing code instead of Jeremiah still. So I'm going to store the input in a variable. That's anything the user inputs will be stored in a variable. So let me remove this. Instead, sorry, comments. So there's a user. Now notice the way I am naming my variables. Apart from the fact that I'm using what the variable will store in the future, I am also instead of using a space, you cannot use a space in variable name. Instead, you use an underscore or casings, different type of casings. This is, I think, it's camel. I can't remember really, because those are the theory part of programming that I don't keep in mind. So you can name like this or like this. Sorry, like this. That means you are replacing the white space or the space with underscore. So if I have something like fine girl, if I want to change it to a variable name, I can do this or this or this. Those are the different ways you can name a variable. So I'm just going to go back right here, but I prefer using this. I don't know why. Sorry, this. So now I'm going to print username. So I'm going to do that trick again. User default sorry, username is default there. Then we print so run. So hello world, it printed default. So my name is Jerry. Sorry. My name is Jerry. So it prints out Jerry. Now let's say you want to do a user greeting app or software. So you can just do this. There are two different ways you can do this. So let me close my terminal and do what is your name? Then print good day. You leave a space in this place, and you see the space. So this space is not compulsory. This space I'm giving here is not compulsory, but I like to use it because of my eyes and makes it readable for me. So I leave this space. You see the space. Good day. Username. Hope you sorry good doing so. Let's run. It's okay. Don't know why it's not running. Okay, so my name is Jerry. Okay, good day, Jerry. Hope you're doing. Okay, you can see the Jerry and the hope does not have a space in it. That's because I failed to put a space there. So this space is needed, but this space, this and this are not needed. It's just for code readability. So sorry. Okay, Jerry. You see, good day, Jerry. Hope so. Okay, think I'm kind of okay. So you can see, apart from the grammatical error, everything is okay. So you can also do it in another way. So remove this and put a curly braces username, and this is what we call formatted string. So I put an F here standing for formatted string and press play. What is your name? Harry. It says username is not found, but I have the username variable. Why it's not finding the username variable instead is because Python is case sensitive. What does it mean to be case sensitive? This and this are not the same. I come again. Username with the capital letter N is not same with username with the small letter n. That's the meaning of case sensitive. I'm going to run again. So my name is Jerry. Let's see if it goes through. Yeah, good day, Jerry. Hope you are doing well. Good. So I'm going to put a space here because I don't like that space. There being no space within Jerry and the question. So I come again. What is your name? Jerry. Okay. Good day, Jerry. Hope you are doing good. Yeah, kinda. So I'm going to talk about something called data type. So let me continue with something. So good day, Jerry. What are you doing? Sorry, not what are you doing. So I'll change this to user age. So I'll do how old are you? Sorry, I'm a little bit dizzy right now. I might not be surprised if I sleep on the screen. So so let me just write years old. So you can see the space that I kept here is already reflecting. So Jerry. So it's ask me a question again. How old are you? Wrong spelling for old. So you are 13 years old. Now it is producing that 13, but that's a wrong 13. Why? Now the question is data types. So let me ask for his father name. Sorry, his father age. How old is your father? User father age. user father age. So your father is user age. So hey. So my name is Jerry. How's my name is Jerry. I'm doing good. You can see, let me run it again. So what is your name? Jerry. How old is your father? So 332. How old are you? 221. So now if I want to add the father name, sorry, the father age and my age together, you will see I will have a wrong value. So let me just do print. Okay, the sum of your ages is age sum. So what else do? Okay, let me say combo equal to user father age plus user age. So let me write combo put a formatted string so my name is Jerry. This thing gets me every time. How old is your father? Okay, so 38 35, sorry, 38 38. Oh, that's a wrong syntax. So I'm supposed to do this. So my name is Jerry. 22 1. Why? Oh. My name is Jerry. My father age is 12 and my age is 11. So oh sorry, I use user, so it is user age. So let me run my code again. So Jerry 1 2 3 1. You can see it is adding the characters, not the number. So what you will do is to convert the string to a number. So we have different data types, which is string, number, decimal, float, integer, and other things like that. You can read on Python data types. So for now, I'm going to be using different data types here. So I'll just put this. So you can turn it to an integer or a number by using the if function. So now, if my father age is 10 and my age is 5, I should be getting a sum of 15. So Jerry 10. So the sum of the ages is 20. That is it. So if I have a string like h1 equal to so let me do like this, h12 put h32, so print h12 plus, so you print, let me write a random name, so 24, so it's still going 1232, so let me cancel it. So I'll convert it to an integer using my code. So it's saying I have a pi. So Jerry. So Jerry, how's your father 12, 21? So okay, in 12, so it's giving me okay, yes, the sum of h32 and h12 is 44. So it converted a string to an integer. But if I have this, let me see what happens. I just wanted to print in the first few lines. So invalid literal for int with base 10. So this is not a base 10. It cannot convert to a base 10. Sorry, it cannot convert the string to a base 10. That is why it gave us that error. So that is all for today's class. See you later.